Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys I am going to show you guys color inversion setting in your Realme phone guys. How can you on and guys how can you use it in your Realme phone guys. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys open your phone setting to on your color inversion. So friends, you can see this type of setting. Then guys, click on guys your phone system setting, and guys click on guys accessibility, and guys again guys click on the vision, and guys again guys click on this color inversion. So as you can on from here. After guys you can see guys everything will black, guys dark theme will on automatic. And guys if you use guys this color inversion, so as you can see guys this, if I take guys YouTube, so as you can see guys everything look like ghost. So friends, you can see in normal way guys how to on ghost mode setting in your Realme phone. So as you can see guys everything look like ghost. So guys you can on and guys you can use guys this color inversion setting like that in your Realme phone. So I hope friends you've understood how to on color inversion and guys how to use it. So that's it guys, thanks for watching, and guys now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.